All right, Brew Crew, welcome back to another edition of the Trade Update. Wow, okay, when I said excitement yesterday into the end of the week, I was not expecting this. Now, this is going to get fun, especially tomorrow, but before I get into it, let's talk about our current trades. Netflix, it was a good thing we made the adjustment yesterday. I mean, I didn't know the sell-off was going to happen, but it just made sense yesterday to get a credit on the trade and have time working in our favor, so that worked out perfectly. As you know, there's no downside risk to this trade, and it's most likely going out worthless, and we pocket the premium here and our equity curve goes up slightly, so just beautiful. All right, moving on. I also opened a new trade in QQQ, the 275-267 1/2 put ratio expiring tomorrow. I paid a penny for this, so not a big deal. If the Qs crash tomorrow, okay, if they crash tomorrow down to the long strike, no matter what, this spread is going to be profitable, even when I have two of those short puts, because there's just not enough time for the short puts to expand against me. And using the options chain again to approximate what my spread would be worth should a crash happen, you can see here that an at the money 8-point wide 1/2 ratio on the Qs is trading for what? Let's just look at the 287-279 1/2 put ratio, right? So the 287 is worth about 235 and the 279s are each worth about 50 cents. So a 1/2 on that is going for, 235 minus 50 cents or $1.35. So translating that price over to my ratio would basically mean that if the Qs tank to my long strike at 275 tomorrow, then my put ratio, which I got for a penny, will expand to that same value, 135, right? So you're looking at, 135x off the debit alone. Obviously, it's not going to be exactly 135 because you have the volatility expansion, which will kick up the value of the shorts a bit, but you'll also have premium decay on those as well. So this is just a rough approximation, but long story short is that the spread is going to expand in my favor first for me to take it off at a profit if we do crash, all right? Obviously, this 20 MA is going to be pretty important, so watch how that holds tomorrow. There might be a slight bounce, but I think we'll want to break slightly below that before a bounce higher, and that might be a good opportunity to close the put ratio. All right, so that's it for today. Look out for tomorrow. The market is going to get wild. Again, stay level-headed, especially now. All right, just be patient and snipe out the good trades. And trust me, your trading will improve by so much just from this one tip. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And feel free to join us by checking out the links to our Twitter, Discord, and Twitch down in the description below. It's all free. We share our thoughts and trades and setups, entries, exits, all that good stuff, all that good commentary, and all those good vibes. But for now, stay safe, Brew Crew, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.